Just doing a wee basic version of Elton John's Your Song. Now, I have a lesson on this song which I'll put in the description below. This is just to help out Mike, who's asked me for a little bit more help. So I'm going to try and walk through the song nice and slowly, and hopefully it makes it easier again. So the chords for the song, by the way, are C, F major 7. Now you can play an F if you wish. G chord, E minor, E major, A minor, A minor 7, just lift off the ring, and a D minor. It's a little bit trickier to play, a D minor, but walk through it just doing single strums. As I said, the original lesson is in the link below, so you can guys, more advanced, can forward onto that, or click the link below, should I say. So, by the way, I forgot to say the Capo man is on 3. Okay? So walk through it nice and slowly. Little intro goes C, F, G, and then C, F, G, E minor. This is me walking through nice and slowly. It's a little bit F, G, this feeling in E minor. Next part, A minor 7, F. I'm not one of those who can easily F. C, G, E, A minor. I don't have much money. Okay, E, what if I, A minor. C, D minor, F, G. I'd buy a big house with F. We both could G. And the next part goes C, F, G, E minor. If I was a sculptor, G, but I can E minor, no. Next part, A minor 7, F. When it makes potions in the F, problem show. C, G, E, A minor. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. C is D minor, F, C is the next part. My gift is my song, yeah. This one's for you. Next part goes G, A minor, D minor, F. And you can tell everybody this is your song. G, A minor, D minor, F. And maybe quite simple, but now that it's F done. A minor, I hope you don't mind. A minor 7, I hope you don't mind. F, that I put down an F. C, D minor, F, G. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. And then the next part goes C, F, G, E minor. I sat on a roof, kicked off the moss. A minor 7, F. What a few other verses, well, that got me quite cross. C, G, E, A minor. The sun's been quite kind. I wrote this song, A minor. C, D minor, F, G. There's people like you, it keeps me to know. The next part goes C, F, G, E minor. Excuse me for forgetting these things I do. A minor 7, F. You see, I forgot if they're green or they're blue. C, G, E, A minor. And the thing is, what I really mean. C, D minor, F, C. You're the sweetest eyes I ever seen. G, A minor, D minor, F. And you can tell everybody this is your song. G, A minor, D minor, F. And maybe quite simple, but now that it's done. A minor 7. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind. F, that I put down in words. C, D minor, F, G. How wonderful life is while you're in the G. A minor 7, F. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind. F, that I put down word. C, D minor, F. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. And that's really the song, mate. I hope that gets you through it. The faster version is in the link below, and I'll put this up very soon. So hopefully you enjoy it. Speak to you soon, guys. All the best.